Good morning, my name is Nolan Regan, and today we are going to go over using the nudge function within the Pro 1200 display. Alright folks, once the display is booted up here, we're going to come over to our Maps tab. If you haven't already, select a straight swath. Next, we're going to come down here to our Tractor tab, and if it's not already selected, hit this drop down menu and select Nudge. Next, you can see we can make left or right adjustments to make quick adjustments to our tractor's position while we are already engaged on a guidance line. I'll go ahead and showcase this here. I'm going to begin moving forwards. Next, we can go ahead and we're going to start making adjustments right. And as you can see, while I adjust the machine right, the machine begins to gravitate towards the direction I have selected. The nudge function is quite useful for making quick, temporary adjustments to your guidance line based off of GNSS drift or implement drift. Alrighty folks, you've now learned how to use the nudge function within your Pro 1200 display. For more information over the Pro 1200 display, please feel free to reach out to your local Birkey's farm store to speak to your precision farming specialist.